Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to edit or delete transactions in Wave. Keeping your transaction records accurate is essential, and here's how you can edit or delete a transaction in Wave. Step 1, go to the transaction page. Now from your Wave dashboard, you're going to click on transaction that's in the left hand menu. Step 2, find the transaction you want to edit or delete. You can scroll through or use the search filter by date, amount, account, or description. Once you locate the transaction, click anywhere on the transaction row to expand it. Step 3, edit the transaction. Now that the transaction is open, you can change the date, amount, description, account, or category. For example, if an expense was misclassified under meals and entertainment but should be under office supplies, you can just change the category drop down accordingly. Make sure to click Save once changes are made. Step 4, to delete a transaction. To remove a transaction, all you got to do is click the trash bin icon on the far right of the transaction row. Wave will ask for confirmation, so go ahead and click Delete again to permanently remove it from your records. Note, deleted transactions are unrecoverable, so double check before confirming just to make sure that you're not clicking on the wrong transaction. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.